In year 2015, management decided, let's change the name of brand. Let's change the brand. Management decided to change the brand from Eton to Holiday Inn Express New Delhi International Airport Terminal 3, a hotel managed by IHG Hotels and Resorts. A documented form PIP was given to me. PIP means ki Property Improvement Plan. I have to build that very plan and change the brand at my own. I had 10 different heads with different minds. I mixed that very minds, that very subordinates of my team, and we converted Eton Smart Airport Transit Hotel to Holiday Inn Express New Delhi International Airport Terminal 3 in April 16. It was a beautiful journey. Good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor to be here to present and discuss my journey with all of you. Myself, Rakesh Verma, Director of Finance and Business Support, Acting General Manager with Holiday Inn Express, New Delhi International Airport, Terminal 3. A hotel managed by IHG Hotels and Resorts, having around 6,845 hotels in 100 plus countries. I can title my journey as From Roots to Wings, and there is one beautiful quote which is related to my journey, is dream, 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 and dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts results in action. It's a journey of small town boy, Rakesh Verma. I born in Hiranagar. It's a small town in Kathua district of J&K. Hiranagar is 10 km far from Indo-Pak border. Having very limited resources with me, I studied in government school with limited infrastructure and more values. I completed my graduation with University of Jammu, and later on I joined a private school. I worked there for 1 year as a teacher. Teaching profession taught me how to understand minds of kids and children and how to transform these kids and children into a new way of their lives. But there was one thing which was triggering in my subconscious mind, that was I have to do something else. Then I joined a corporate world. I joined a trading industry of pharmaceutical and automobile as an assistant accountant. I learned about numbers, P&L, balance sheets, and mingling with people in the trading industry. But I was thinking that along with my this journey of profession, I have to do something in learning, because learning is something which is never ending process. I enrolled myself with the Master in English with Jammu University. I completed Master in English. After that, I have done MBA in Finance, Chartered Certified Accountant, Central Excise and Custom Diplomas, LLB, Doctorate in Management Study. Right now, I am pursuing LLM, but I have not left my job. All these qualifications I have completed along with my trading industry job. During the job, I thought, let's try another sector. Then I moved myself from trading to manufacturing. I joined manufacturing company of a chemical industry. I joined as a head of finance. After few months, I got a chance, and God is kind. I was heading HR also. I was involved in production, shop floor, and to manufacture the products. In manufacturing company, I understood that how to manufacture product and how to sell that very product in a market. I learned about the unity. I learned about the teamwork. I learned about the processes. I learned about many new learnings in the manufacturing sector. Again, there is another trigger in my mind. Let's try another industry. As per me, there are only 3 industries in the world. One is trading, manufacturing, and services. I moved myself from the manufacturing industry to service industry, which is hospitality. I joined this hotel as a head of finance in Eton Smart Airport Transit Hotel, a hotel managed by Langham Hospitality Group. I joined as a head of finance. After 6 months, I got an opportunity to heading the HR processes also. Later on, management has added more feathers in my cap. As a head of finance, head of HR, I was head of back office. Back office, which is not limited to finance, but includes HR, purchase, store, security, IT, training, licensing, and taxation. It was a beautiful journey with the Eton Smart Airport Transit Hotel. In year 2015, management decided, let's change the name of brand. Let's change the brand. management decided to change the brand from Eton to Holiday Inn Express New Delhi International Airport Terminal 3, a hotel managed by IHG Hotels and Resorts. A documented form PIP was given to me. PIP means ki property improvement plan. I have to build that very plan and change the brand at my own. I had 10 different heads with different minds. I mixed that very minds, that very subordinates of my team, and we converted Eton Smart Airport Transit Hotel to Holiday Inn Express New Delhi International Airport Terminal 3 in April 16. It is beautiful journey. It was beautiful journey. I was in continuous touch with learnings and learning new processes with Holiday Inn Express New Delhi International Airport Terminal 3. From last 3.5 years, I am working as an acting general manager along with my current domain of Director of Finance and Business Support and other back offices. It's a beautiful journey. Out of boardroom, I can also passionate about traveling, reading books and making friends. Hospitality taught about leadership. Hospitality taught about how to grow yourself in a domain in a different world. So I have traveled multiple countries across the globe, which has fulfilled my passion of traveling. I have multiple books with me related to motivations, related to spirituality, leadership, strategy, execution, how to understand mind, how to understand emotions. All are the books which are with me. I used to refer that very books in my free time. And in IHG, there are so many tools which are purely related to learning. So I involve myself more in learning so that I can uplift myself from the current position to the another position. In hotels, we used to meet every day with the guests. So I have made so many friends as a guest, so many friends in celebrity side, so many friends in techno world side. I don't have much friends in my earlier days, in school days and college days. Now I have so many friends with me. So IHG and hospitality industry has fulfilled my dream of traveling, reading books and making friends along with my current job. My future aspiration is to become a top leader in top-notch industry, and there is one more aspiration is for me is to give back to society. I want to give back to society. I want to train and teach the people. I want to train and teach the kids so that they can also build their career in a professional manner. If I can recall my journey from childhood till professionalism, there is one thing which is always with me and quoting myself is, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. Even impossible says, hey, I am possible. Thank you.